Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 7, Day 1. Our topic for today is subtraction of numbers without regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Find the difference of the following given numbers. Here are the correct answers. Lesson purpose intention. To subtract numbers where both numbers are less than 10,000 without regrouping. Lesson language practice. Everybody, we're going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the KATSM. There are 3,762 grade 3 books delivered to Northern Central Elementary School. Of these, 1,241 are mathematics books. How many books are not mathematics? Before we solve the problem, let's answer first the following questions. Number 1. What items were delivered to Northern Central Elementary School? Correct. Grade 3 books were delivered to the school. How many books were delivered? A total of 3,762 books were delivered. What type of books were delivered? The delivery included mathematics and books that are not mathematics. How many of the delivered books are mathematics? There are 1,241 mathematics books. Number 5. What does the problem ask us to find? We need to determine how many books are not mathematics books. Number 6. How can we solve the problem? We can subtract the number of mathematics books from the total number of books delivered. How do we express this as a number sentence? 3,762 minus 1,241 equals n. Solution 1. Using the expanded form. 3,762 is expanded at 3,700 plus 60 plus 2 minus 1,241 expanded as 1,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 1. 3,762 minus 1,241 is equals to 2,521 expanded as 2,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. There are 2,521 that are not mathematics books. Solution 2. Using the vertical form. 3,762 minus 1,241. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. There are 2,521 that are not mathematics books. Deepening understanding of the key ideas 10. Using the vertical form. First, write the numbers vertically, placing the subtrahend below the minuend. 3,762 is the minuend and 1,241 is the subtrahend. Make sure that the digits where the same place value are aligned in the same column. Subtract the digits in the ones place first. Write down the result for the ones place. Next, subtract the digits in the tens place. Write down the result for the tens place. For the ones place, the result is 1. For the tens place, the result is 2. Then, subtract the digits in the hundreds place. Write down the result for the hundreds place. The result for the hundred place is 5. Finally, subtract the digits in the thousands place. Write down the result for the thousand place. The result for the thousand place is 2. Therefore, the difference is 2,521. How do you check if the answer is correct? We can use addition to check our answer. Adding the difference and the subtrahends should give the minuend. To check, 2,521 is the difference of the minuend 3,762 and the subtrahend 1,241. Plus, we will going to add the subtrahend, which is 1,241. So, it will give us 3,762 equivalent to the minuend. Try to solve, find the difference of the following numbers. Here are the correct answers. Making generalization and abstraction. How do you subtract numbers without regrouping? Everybody will going to repeat. Here is also the steps in subtracting using expanded form. Evaluating learning. Subtract using vertical form. Show your solution and final answer. Here are the correct answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!